I am thrilled that most of Concourse D Skytrain behind me is on track to reopen by the end of March, and the whole system will be operational this summer. We did a routine inspection. We found out in September there were serious cracks in the columns that hold up the Skytrain. It was imperative that we carefully study and do whatever was necessary before something happened that would be much worse.
What the repairs are going to entail are going to be chipping away at the cracks in the two pier caps in this area that were found to have cracks, filling them and reinstalling the concrete, and then ultimately wrapping the actual pier caps with some waterproof membrane carbon fiber to ensure that this doesn't happen again. So they'll be doing that on these two, and that's the work that we anticipate having done by the end of March, which represents about 3/4 of the Skytrain system between stations 2 and 4.
Safety is number one for us here at MIA, and we will always take the necessary steps to protect our passengers and our employees. Now we have this state-of-the-art crane. It's already doing the repair work necessary. I know this has been an inconvenience to many of our passengers who have had to walk longer distances. For that reason, we got golf carts and buses out, and these are available to our passengers who need assistance getting to their gates. And the most important thing is we're working hard day and night to bring back full service to the Skytrain in just a few months.